Hey, this is Richard over at foxailandheat.com. We got another, this is a 19-year-old carrier. It's a heat pump, so it runs double duty, so it really wear and tear on this one. It's like it's been here for 30 years. But we got them up and running. We had to replace, we had a failed run capacitor on it. We've been maintaining it. Granted, yeah, they want to eventually put in a new system. It's going to be more efficient, have a better warranty in it. But I'll tell you, we can get you up and running faster if we can repair. If it's repairable, we get you up and running faster. Give you a little bit of cushion, some time to think about it or make up a decision or figure out where you're going to get the money for one of these expensive new systems. But they do pay for themselves. But be careful, a lot of these other companies, they'll send out a sales guy and they're not going to fix nothing. They don't have any parts on the truck. Their whole intent is to sell you a new system. Now, granted, you know, we'll do this, we'll if that's what you want, we'll provide you some pricing on that, but that's not going to be an instant fix. You cannot get an install crew out here and have this thing up and running faster than we can come out and repair it and get you up and running. So sometimes we just got to buy you some time, keep you comfortable, but something like this will be cheaper than put the family up in a hotel or having to go stay somewhere else sometimes. So sometimes that's a better option, and you know, then hey, maybe we need to go ahead and put in a new system as well. So we'll try to give you the options, but you know, we're not just going to send a sales guy out to try to sell you brand new stuff and, you know, don't fix the problem while we're there. So Richard at foxailandheat.com. Let us know if we can help you and try to get you up and running as fast as we can. We've got parts on the truck, no high pressure sales from us. We'll just give you the options. You tell us what you want to do. Thanks for watching. It's 100 degrees out in the summer. It's Friday afternoon. It's about in August the 5th. And we're fixing to have a cold front come in here this next week or over the weekend. It's going to be just barely 100 degrees or right underneath 100 degrees. So that's a Texas cold front for you. So give us a holler if we can help you. It's Richard at foxailandheat.com. Thanks for watching.